Welcome to an unboxing video, and inside this package is an EcoFlow product, but not something that you would expect. It does not contain any batteries. What could it be? Let's have a look. It's the EcoFlow collapsible silicone water bottle. It can hold 2 liters or 64 ounces, I think that means. Let's have a look. So you get a straw, and this is the bottle. So this is great to keep in your bag when you don't have liquids in it, you know, going through airports and stuff. It doesn't take up too much space, but once it's expanded, you have 2 liters of liquid or water. So yeah, it's very rubbery like, and we've got some reminders here to try and drink your 2 liters per day, and we've got the imperial and metric system there for Americans and everywhere else in the world. We have a little strap here. It is adjustable. The lid. Oh, there's another straw in there. So you unscrew it. There we go. Oh, we're going to put the straw in here to be able to get the liquid out. And we've got a handle here as well. Yeah, so you just kind of squish it however way you want, and you put the lid on top, and that will prevent any air from getting in. Cool. What else do you get in the box? You get a little instruction manual. Not that I think you would need to know too much about it. Just shows you how to clean it. I probably wouldn't put this in the dishwasher because it would fade these eventually over time. Just, yeah, mild detergents will do. So once air is allowed to come around it, it holds its shape pretty well. So you can't just squish it like this without the lid because air will get in and expand it. Well, there you go. There's not too much more I can say about it. It's pretty self-explanatory. An EcoFlow water bottle, and how can you tell? Because we have the EcoFlow logo on the lid. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you informed of more EcoFlow products.